How to choose the right car scratch removers. If you are looking for the best car scratch remover, here are some features that must be considered when buying. Coverage of scratch type. Always look for the types of scratches that the product is expected to remove to understand the strength of the coverage. Type of application. It is always better to buy a scratch remover that can be used effectively with machines and manual applications. Versatility. A good car scratch remover is not specific to a particular color or scratch type. You should be able to remove mild to medium scratches without requiring any expertise. Other supplies. It is best to choose a scratch remover that comes as a kit, including sandpaper, a microfiber towel, etc. A versatile scratch eraser is a formula that can remove light to moderate scratches to give your car a new look. Do check the type of product, if it suits your requirements and if it is easy to use before picking one from the market. Turtle Wax T123 KT Premium Grade Scratch Repair Kit. Turtle Wax provides reliable and economical car polish. This effective product eliminates scratches, restores luster, and leaves a long-lasting coating to provide ultimate surface protection. The Turtle Kit includes 3 restoration pads, a paint clarifying compound, spray lubricant, and a clear coat finish pen to remove scratches from car paint. Deal with light scratches using a clear coat pen and treat deep scratches with the sanding pads. Pros. Includes pads of different grits. Restores clarity. Removes surface damage. Blends the scratches. Cons. May require special skills to use this kit.